Okay, week 3 of summer camp at Rancho Compasión. Today we're sort of repeating the menu. We didn't have a little bit of this, we didn't have a little bit of that. What's new here in the kitchen? So, Vegan Good Life is all about improvising, making, switching it up. We've got some delicious looking potatoes from the garden here that we're gonna roast up. I've got a pot of chili because we were gonna do something with black beans, didn't have enough. So we turned it into chili. That's over there on the stove. I've got some cornbread, we've got salad, and we have about 22 kids today that we have to feed. And Cammy, hello, say hello. So we're busy cooking and yeah, we'll see you in the garden.
So what's in this chili?
Well, it's what we had lying around the house. So we thought we had enough black beans, but we didn't. So I do have some garbanzos and some black beans in here. And then to give it a meaty sensation, I added some bulgur wheat. So the stuff in here that looks like ground beef is bulgur wheat. And that's all it is. I kept it really mild because it's kids that are going to be having it. So just some smoked paprika, a little bit of chili powder, not a lot. Some cumin. I'm going to add a little bit more, I think. A little bit of cinnamon, which brings out the sweetness. And the tomatoes, some tomatoes, obviously, and some corn. Is there corn in here? No, I think those are garbanzos that Cammy added. So it's kind of an improvised recipe. It's, whatever we got around here, even though I did go shopping to feed, 22 little mouths plus a couple of CITs and the adults. Cammy, we got to get the potatoes in. The bottom oven is ready.
I know. I'm
literally doing that now?
I'm literally putting salt and
okay.
Mix it.
Thank you, I appreciate it. We never argue. We never quarrel, never ever. Everything's always calm here between us. Okay. It's smoky.
You don't need a help from a man.
When you got Cammy?
Hello, it's Anna. Let's eat so much sweets forever and ever. Okay. No. Oh no, I got a tummy ache. Now what should we do? Let's eat some vegetables. Eat. No. Eat. No. Eat. Yummy. Thanks. Bedtime. That was fun.
Okay, what have I got here? So my son's wife is half Japanese, half Turkish, and she loves feta cheese. She's a vegetarian. She was really excited to try the new feta from my new cookbook, The Vegan Creamery. So this is what I'm making right now. It is air drying. All right, so here's how I came up with this feta recipe. I've been trying to make feta, hardening it with agar and starches and things like that, like most of the vegan fetas in the marketplace. And I just wasn't getting the results that I wanted. So I actually read up on how they make real milk dairy feta. And the way they do it to get the curds to be hard. This starts out by making curds, actually. I make the curds separated from the whey, so it gets drained in something like this. Is that it starts out soft and you salt the entire thing and you let the salt pull the moisture out of the cheese and let it air dry. So that's what's happening right now. It's undergoing air drying for about 48 hours. Now, when I started yesterday, this was very, very soft and now it's already firming up. And by tomorrow, in another 24 hours, it's going to be incredibly hard. And then as I refrigerate it, and then we put it in the brine, it's going to get even firmer and it will be very, very crumbly. So this is the feta, and I'm putting this lid on it again, just to prevent things like flies and critters from landing on it. What's your favorite song, Emma?
Go where the stars wanna watch it or
Yay! Okay, we're ready to go down to the garden.
I help wash the potatoes.
Are you going to be a chef as well? Is she teaching you?
And who's teaching you? Is Grandma teaching you?
And Cammy.
All right, who wants some chili? Let me get you some tomatoes from the garden. So sweet. Mhm.
Hi, I'm Caroline, and I'm the Sanctuary Director here at Rancho Compasión. Right now we're in the middle of our second year of summer camp. Each summer we host 3 weeks of camp. We started our education program about 2 years ago. It started with after school, and then we decided to increase that into summer camp because after school was a big hit, and we wanted a way to invite more students here to connect with nature themselves, eat organic lunches, and connect with our animal residents, most importantly. And the program has become very popular amongst the community and also outside of our community. As important as our education program is to offer kids a place to be, again, themselves and to connect to each other as well as the animals, we also think it's a closed loop system where kids can learn where their food comes from and that animals are our friends. So closed loop meaning, the kids help us clean some of the animal spaces and then we turn it into compost. The compost goes back into the garden where the kids help us harvest greens either for themselves, and then at the end of each session we have a cooking class where they learn knife skills, and then we cook a meal together and eat it together. Next year we're hoping to expand into 4 weeks of summer camp. We'd like to be able to offer more scholarship positions in the summer camp. We host a lot of field trips as well that we sponsor these field trips. So we're hoping to be able to host more kids from outside our community and from Title I schools. If you are interested in any of our programs or maybe know a child that you'd like to sponsor, if you head over to our website, ranchocompasion.org, or our Instagram page. What's your favorite part about being at Rancho?
I like helping all the animals, and they're very cute, and I like feeding them. It's very fun. I like visiting all the animals. If an animal approaches you, then you can stick out your hand, but if they walk away, just don't chase them.
I come a lot. I came with friends of the children, and it was super fun. We got to help out. We got to play it. We got to paint stuff, and it was super fun. It's super important to take care of other things. Even if the plants don't seem like it's living, it's always alive, and that you should always treat it with respect.
I like how you get to grow the food, and sometimes that goes into the meals that people make, and you get to just hang out with the animals and plant stuff.
It's really nice here. I like eating the food in the garden. I loved all the animals. They were actually really cool.
Because it's actually chill and it's not chaotic like the other places I've been to. Because it's the best place I ever went to, me personally, because I never been to a farm like that.
Do you have a favorite animal resident here?
Mo.
What can we do to help him have a good, healthy life?
Give him healthy food. Give him enough space, not cram him in a really little area. I just really like it here.
What was your first visit like here at Rancho?
Amazing. Seeing all the animals for the first time and just being with them.
Pigs, the ducks. There's so many animals here it's just so overwhelming of just so much love up here. So yeah, this is a great place to visit. I highly recommend it. You can learn a lot, you can see a lot, and Rancho Compasión is awesome.
Donate today!
Get rid of spiky thing. You like Cohen, huh?
That's Pepper.
This is Pepper. You like Pepper? Yeah. Pepper's special, huh? Aw, I love you, Pepper.